Good afternoon, folks. My name is Michael Marrow, coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today, I'd like to take you through our brand new 2019 255 Scout. This boat is our most popular mid-size center console that we sell here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. As you can see, first thing I want you to notice is the flare on this boat. It's a Carolina-style boat. They are made in South Carolina. You can see the through-hole windlass on the bow of the boat. This particular boat we did in shark gray with a chrome stripe. But the lines on this boat, they're just incredible, and the ride of this boat's even better. Just take a quick few seconds and just take a look at the lines of the boat. But more importantly, you can see the bow of the boat in that flare. Coming back, you can see the red accented Scout emblem. Hard teak swim platforms on both sides, powered by twin 150 Yamahas, the XCA, the digital controlled Yamahas. We're going to hop aboard this boat right now. I want to take you through a few of the features of this boat. As you're going to see as you're walking on, it is a starboard entry. So as we come on the boat, first thing I want you to notice, right? So when you're running out to the fishing grounds or you're going out to dinner, lunch, whatever, you have a seat here. So this folds all the way out and down. So you have the ability to sit 3 more people, right? When you don't need the seat and you want to go fishing, you simply just fold this back down and it's up and out of the way. And you have some nice comfy leaning posts here too for when you're fishing in the back. You can rest your legs against. 5 cup holders, rod holders, I'm sorry, and 2 cup holders. Good for trolling or just stowing your rods on your way out. Big circulating live well right here. So let's look back here. So we have a little bit of a tackle station. So you have 4 of your Plano boxes, all right? In here, there's a little spool adapter. You can put your leader, your fluorocarbon leader, or however you want to treat that, your tools, whatever you want to make out of that, you can do. But it is nice to have and it's easy to access when you're fishing. Then we have our cooler under here, portable cooler. So if you want to use it for drinks or even fish, everything's right there for you, okay? That's access to your bilge is under my feet, all right? So let's go forward. So this particular color combination is called the Grigio, okay? So this is one of the newer color combinations that Scout did. So it's a nice gray with like an off-white accent to the seats. It really pops against the shark gray hull, all right? So before we go on to this side, we want to look 4 more rod holders, 2 more cup holders, okay? So just in 2 areas, we're up to 9 rod holders and 4 cup holders, not to mention the 4 on the gunnels, all right? So you have digital controls. Both of these seats are bolstered, so they can come down, or you can sit on top of them and put your feet on that rest. The boat does come with this Garmin XSV. There is room to put a second screen there if you wish. You can put your, VHF's up top. The Garmin VHF 110 is up there. But you can put another screen here, or you can put anything you like up here as well. Doesn't have to be another Garmin, okay? All your switches here, they all light up. So there'll be red or blue rings around here. Your trim tabs are right here as well. Push button start on both engines. You have your keys right here. So yeah, your nice Edson wheel with a rubber grip on the bottom of the wheel. That's tilt. All right, so there's a lot going on so far in the 25-foot center console. So let's go up to the front. It even gets better. So this front has all the creature comforts of a bow rider, okay? So you guys just want to go out for dinner, or you have a long ride out to the fishing grounds, you have tons of comfort up here, all right? So you can sit down with your feet out, back against the backrests that do come out, and they can be stowed. So if you don't want to take these, you don't have to. Hold on to the handrails, all right? Underneath both seats is more storage, okay? And then we have more storage under here. Now, up front, you have our windlass anchor locker, which is huge. You have access here or back at the helm. And one of the nicest things and one of my favorite part about this whole boat is this right here. So when you want to have lunch and you want to get away from the console, flip this down, you have a table, you have a cutting board right here, and yet another cooler for soft drinks or your lunch or whatever you want to have. Then you have access to your anchor through that compartment right there. Now, looking back here, you have another area for seating for 2 more people. And then underneath this, look at that, you have another cooler. Tons of storage on this boat, absolute tons of storage. Let's go back this way one more time. So you guys to take a peek of the head in here. Look at the detail Scott put into this head. And remember, this is only a 25-foot boat, so look at the size of this head. So you have nice teak flooring, you have a step down into there, your battery switches, your fuses, and then your stereo head is right here as well. So this is protected and out of the elements. Well, I hope you enjoyed your time with us here on our 255 Scout. We hope to see you soon and take a tour on it for your own self. You can give me a call. My name is Michael Mara, or any other sales consultant here at MarineMax Summers Point. Our phone number here is 609-926-0600. You guys have a great day. We hope to see you on the water.